about time to take these out because, oh my lord, they're itchy and they're annoying, and we're about to just have like the biggest reset, oil in my hair. Oh my god, I'm so excited. But like, oh my gosh, they need to go. So this is like the tape. So I have like 91% rubbing alcohol. I don't know how to do this. We're just gonna go for it. Start time is 5:15 p.m. I can't because I can't do slick backs. I can't. I'm just getting done with them. Yes. Yes. This is kind of sad. It's like a part of me. So you have to spray it with rubbing alcohol. Take your comb, kind of like poke a hole in it. Then that's where you spray it, and then it just like separates. But this is literally gonna take so freaking long. This is what we're looking like. It's literally 5:26 right now. I did want to say, Google hair extensions is great because I did a little promo for them. They're amazing, but it's just, I don't think I'm a tape-in girl. I would have rathered clip-ins. They offered and I was like, no, I want tape because they stay longer. I never want to do this removal process again because this is how much hair we've already taken out, and that was one side. So my first side out, it feels so good. I have some oil in right now just because that rubbing alcohol is going to be super drying, but I forgot how cute my little short hair is. We're going to do like a little blowout tonight, but I'm just going to start off by putting rosemary oil and then having it in like a little braid or something. Look at that. That's disgusting. It is all out. There's still glue in my hair. It feels disgusting. So I'm gonna use the Ordinary, which is like the glycolic acid toning solution. Put it in my scalp as like a clarifying, and then rosemary, of course. But I did like the whole bottle of that. And then I'm just gonna go in with my rosemary oil. Okay, I'm just trying to like coat it with oil because that must have been so drying for my hair. Then now we can start my other stuff as well. My little bun is actually so cute. So happy to just have like my head free. And now I don't have to worry about extensions showing and I can wear my slick backs. It's so cute. We're gonna keep this in honestly maybe overnight because my hair needs some treatment. Look at this. It's like that was all in my hair. Like that's why my hair feels so thin, because you're literally missing this much hair. I could make like a little toupee with this. First of all, my room. Oh, it's literally a mess. I've come to the conclusion that I want to take down my Christmas tree because my room is so small that any little thing really takes it up. So I'm gonna go try and find a little box. I did find a little box for my ornaments. I'm gonna put them all in here, and then I have no idea where I'm gonna store the tree. This is the vibe, but we're taking the tree down. This decor and mess, basically. You guys, I have my laundry in a garbage bag because we're out of laundry baskets. Oh. And then I have a little bag of garbage. So I'm so excited to have some space back. My room gets full so freaking fast. I'm literally out of breath. We've done so much. I'm so proud of myself. Because I've been needing to do this for like 4 days. Bringing my laundry downstairs. Yeah, this is the next stop. have a whole bunch of weird stuff on the floor. But in the meantime, I've cleaned my bed, organized my desk. I have some stuff on the floor still to deal with, but my desk is like so nice and clean and organized. I'm gonna go have a little bath and use all of my new stuff. We're about to do my skincare. I'm leaving my hair for tonight because I need to leave it in its little bun. It's 9:29. I finished my hair at like 6. I didn't really give you guys a timeline. These depuffing masks that I think I'm gonna put on for tonight. Starting off with niacinamide. It's so nice because it's so cold. I literally love my skincare fridge so much because you put on the serums and it just cools down your face. So this is aloe for redness. So before my mask, I'm just gonna use this Inky Caffeine Under Eye Cream. Okay, then I have these little under eye things. Before I wash out the rest of my face, I just have this little cream. It's just my Cetaphil, but in a smaller container, so it fits in that fridge.